What if I told you that your garden doesn't have to stop producing once the summer heat fades? Imagine harvesting fresh, crisp greens and hearty vegetables straight through the coldest months of winter. Today, we're diving into the best fall crops that thrive in cool weather and keep your table full when most gardens go quiet. Fall gardening is one of the best-kept secrets for year-round abundance. The cooler temperatures, fewer pests, and sweetened flavors from frost make this season perfect for growing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, planting the right crops in fall can reward you with fresh harvests well into winter. Let's start with leafy greens. Crops like kale, spinach, lettuce, Swiss chard, and mustard greens not only tolerate cold weather, but often improve in flavor after a light frost. Kale, in particular, becomes sweeter in cooler temperatures. These crops can be harvested leaf by leaf, ensuring a continuous supply through the season. Root vegetables are another powerhouse for fall gardens. Carrots, beets, turnips, and radishes thrive in cooler soil and actually become more tender and flavorful as the temperatures drop. The great part is they can be left in the ground with some mulch protection and harvested as needed throughout winter. Don't forget about brassicas. Cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts love the cool weather and can withstand light frost. These crops may take longer to mature, but the payoff is worth it. A fresh head of cabbage in late fall or Brussels sprouts after the first frost is one of the best rewards of gardening. Cold hardy herbs like parsley, thyme, and chives are perfect for adding fresh flavor to your meals all winter. Many of these herbs will survive light freezes and bounce back in spring, giving you year-round growth with very little effort. To keep your crops going strong, use simple strategies like mulching with straw, adding row covers, or even using cold frames. These methods trap warmth, shield against frost, and protect tender crops from wind. Even in areas with harsh winters, these tools extend the growing season and maximize your harvests. So if you want fresh food all year, fall planting is the key. From leafy greens to hearty root vegetables, your garden can continue to provide even when winter arrives. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and join our gardening family so you never miss out on tips to keep your harvest strong.